Hey, I'm Travis with Focus Tactical Design. This is going to be a tutorial video on how you can find the proper sizing for your Focus Tactical carrier. All of our carriers are pretty much custom built to your body armor. Because of that, there's not a ton of adjustability, so it's important to get the sizing right. We feel like without the excess amount of buckles and Velcro and straps and things that you get with a lot of carriers, we're really achieving that clean and professional look that a lot of administrators and the public expect from us. So real quick, we only need 3 measurements from you. The first measurement is going to be from the lowest part of your neckline here to the bottom of your front panel. The second measurement is going to be from the widest part of your front panel, so from edge to edge across the front. And then lastly, we're going to need the circumference of your body here with your body armor on so that we can find your cummerbund sizing. So get a tape measure, piece of string, whatever you need to find these measurements. And I will show you how to do that really quickly. So again, from the lowest part of your neckline to the bottom of your body armor. You can round to about the nearest ½ inch. That'll work for us. So this particular panel is 12.5 inches from top to bottom there. Across the front here. So we're going to go from about the widest part. So about the widest part is about 20.5. So roughly right there, about 20.5 inches. And then finally, we're going to go all the way around at about the widest part, right about your midline of your body armor. So it's probably going to be about, I would say, a hand width, 4 inches or so above your belly button, right there, not at the bottom, but kind of right in the middle where your cummerbund is going to come together. So that's about 40 inches. So 12.5, height by 20.5 across will give us your sizing. And then we'll do your cummerbund based on that 40 inches. So it's going to meet right in the middle so you don't have a lot of excess. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about sizing, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. When you go to order your vest, it's going to be very simple. All we need you to do is click on the word buy on the website, select your color from the drop down, make your purchase, and then email us focustacticaldesign@gmail.com with these measurements, and we'll put you into the proper size. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email, focustacticaldesign@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Again, I'm Travis, and please stay focused.